everyone and a very good morning to all my lovely kids. I am your Leena Miss and today I will teach you maths. In maths we will do what comes in between. Okay, so first of all, what is the meaning of between? Between means in the middle of two things. Let's understand it through some examples. There are three objects: purple car, yellow bus and red car. Where the bus is? The bus is in between two cars. Here are two cars and the bus is in between. Okay, let's move for another example. Once there was a race in jungle and elephant, hippo and tiger took part in it. They all were ready at their position and then they started running. And where the hippo was? The hippo was in between elephant and tiger. So position of hippo is in between elephant and tiger. Okay. Now look at these flashcards. Here is number 2, then 3 and then 4. Can you tell me the position of 3 as we have done in previous examples? Where the 3 is? 3 is in between 2 and 4. So what is the position of 3? Middle number, between. So 2 and 4 are given. So what will come in between? 3. Okay. So let's do it on notebook. So let's do it in notebook. But before that, let's write down the date. What is the date today? It's 7. So 07, sleeping line. Which month? July, which is 7th month. So again write down 07, sleeping line, and which year? 2020. Okay. So what comes in between? So here are two numbers instead of two objects. Which number? First number is 1 and there is a blank and another number is 3. Now we need to tell which number will come in between 1 and 3. Now jump on this number line. Speak numbers written on it with me. Starting with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0, 10. Here are numbers from 0 to 10 and now there are some exercise. Now check where is number 1? Here. Here is number 1 and where is number 3? Here. So which number is there in between 1 and 3? 2. So which number will come here? 2. 2 is in between 1 and 3. Okay? Yes. Next exercise. Here is number 6 and here 8. Now we need to tell what will come in between 6 and 8. Again jump on number line. Here is number 6 and here is number 8. And which number is in between 6 and 8? It's 7. So here we will write 7. Now next. Here is 0. Okay, and here is 2. So which number will come in between? Again going to number line. Here is number 0 and here is 2. Which number is in between? 1. So 0, 1, 2. Okay. Next. Here is number 3 and here is number 4. Can you tell which number will come in between? Look, here is number 3 and here is number 4. There is no number in between 3 and 4. So it is wrong. Okay. There should be a number between these two. Look, here is number 8 and a blank and 1 0 10. Coming back to number line, here is number 8, here is number 10. There is one number between these two numbers, which is 9. So between 8 and 10, here will come 9. 8, 9, 10. So this is the concept of between. Do it in your notebook. Practice it. Okay? And share your homework with me. Till then, bye-bye. Take care.